see it, the CLA 45s actually, in this wonderful Magno grey paint. And we are about to hit a curvy mountain area where we will see not only how the car sounds, but specifically of course also how the car drives. A lot of, let's say, power going to the rear wheels, and we will see how that let's say results in a dynamic driving. After the first meters here is actually how much power the engine has. There's a significant, let's say, addition of punch compared to the old A45 or CLA 45. That's already clear. But secondly, also how neutral the handling is. It's not driving like a rear-wheel drive car, anything like that, but it's a very neutral handling. You can put the car into the corner very, very quickly and have a lot of fun. Actually, cornering capabilities are, I would say, 20 to 30% more of what an A35 can do, and that one was already, let's say, a very, very good car in the hot hatch class. So that was the traction control, because we had a little bump there and the car lifted up, and therefore the traction control kicked in. But you can already see how neutral the overall handling is. As said, unbelievable how you can throw the car into the corner. That is totally unique in the compact, let's say, hot hatch class or hyper hatch class currently. I mean, way beyond what our Audi RS3 is capable of doing, and also way beyond of what a Golf R currently with a 4-cylinder, for example, is doing.